Ditch coffee. Drink this tea to instantly restore leg strength and amp energy. Have you ever noticed how much we all depend on coffee to get through the day? That first sip in the morning feels like magic. But what if I told you there's a tea that can give you even more energy, restore strength in your legs, and keep you going without the caffeine crash? Today, I'm going to show you why this tea might just be better than your daily cup of coffee, and how it can bring your legs back to life. So stick around, because the energy boost you've been searching for might be just one cup away. Why coffee isn't always your best friend. We live in a world where coffee is celebrated almost like a best friend. It wakes you up, sharpens your focus, and gets you moving. But here's the truth, coffee is not always your body's ally, especially if you're dealing with muscle fatigue, joint stiffness, or energy slumps in your legs. Coffee gives you a quick boost, but it doesn't actually feed your muscles the nutrients they need to feel strong. Think about the last time you had 2 or 3 cups in a row. Sure, you felt awake, but after a while, your legs probably felt heavy, tired, and drained. That's because caffeine stimulates the nervous system, but it doesn't repair, nourish, or strengthen the body. What your legs need is fuel, not just a jolt. That's where tea comes in. There's one tea in particular that does exactly what coffee can't. Introducing the tea that restores energy and leg strength. So what is this tea that's leaving coffee in the dust? It's green tea. And before you roll your eyes thinking you've heard this before, listen closely, because the benefits go far beyond antioxidants. Green tea contains a unique amino acid called L-theanine, which balances out caffeine in a way coffee never can. That means no jitters, no racing heart, and no sudden crash. But the real magic lies in how green tea improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and energizes your muscles, especially in your legs. Every time you drink a cup, compounds called catechins travel through your bloodstream and actually help your blood vessels relax and expand. Why does that matter? Because better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients delivered to your leg muscles, giving you lasting strength instead of a temporary push. This is not hype. It's real science, and your legs will feel the difference. How green tea helps your muscles recover. Imagine this. You climb a set of stairs, and your legs don't feel like lead weights anymore. Or you go for a walk, and your stride feels lighter and more energized. That's what happens when your muscles get what they need to recover. Green tea reduces oxidative stress, which is one of the main reasons muscles feel sore and weak after physical activity. When your muscles are under stress, free radicals build up and damage the tissue. Green tea's catechins act like a shield, protecting your muscles and speeding up repair. Over time, this means your legs don't just feel less tired, they actually grow stronger. It's almost like giving your muscles a natural recharge every time you drink a cup. The secret connection between tea and bone strength. Here's something most people don't realize. The strength of your legs is not just about muscle, it's about bone health too. As we age, bones naturally lose density, and that's one reason leg weakness becomes more common. Green tea has been shown to slow down bone loss and even improve bone strength. Researchers believe the antioxidants in tea help stimulate bone-building cells while protecting them from damage. Imagine having a drink that not only gives you energy today but also keeps your legs strong 10 years from now. That's the hidden power of this tea, and it's something coffee can never deliver. Why this tea gives you calm, steady energy. One of the most frustrating things about coffee is the roller coaster it puts your body through. You drink it, you feel amazing, and then, bam, you hit a wall. Green tea works differently. Thanks to the combination of caffeine and L-theanine, it creates what scientists call calm alertness. That means your mind feels sharp, but your body feels steady and energized. You won't feel the sudden dip that sends you running for another cup. Instead, the energy builds gradually, lasts longer, and keeps your muscles supported throughout the day. Think of it as fuel for endurance rather than a spark that burns out quickly. This is especially helpful if you're someone who struggles with fatigue in your legs after walking, climbing stairs, or standing for too long. A simple daily habit that transforms your legs. Now let's get practical. How do you actually use this tea to see results? The best way is consistency. Replace your morning cup of coffee with 1 or 2 cups of green tea. If mornings are non-negotiable for coffee, start by swapping your afternoon cup instead. Make it a habit, and give your body a few weeks to adjust. What most people notice first is that their legs feel lighter, less stiff, and more energized throughout the day. Some even report fewer nighttime leg cramps because the improved circulation keeps muscles nourished even while they sleep. This isn't about a quick fix, it's about building a small, daily ritual that pays off with stronger legs and better energy. Why choosing tea means choosing longevity. At the end of the day, the choice between coffee and tea is about more than just energy. It's about what kind of fuel you want to put in your body. Coffee gives you a short-term boost, but tea gives you long-term resilience. By choosing green tea, you're not only restoring energy to your legs today, you're protecting your heart, supporting your bones, and setting yourself up for years of better mobility. Think about how powerful that is. A simple cup of tea can be the difference between feeling drained and heavy or feeling light and strong. So now the question is, are you ready to make the switch? If you've been leaning on coffee for energy, it might be time to give green tea a chance. Your legs will thank you, your energy will last longer, and you'll be giving your body the support it truly needs. Try it for a few weeks, and pay attention to how your body feels. You might be surprised at how much stronger and more energized you become. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Fitness Tips for more practical, science-backed ways to keep your body strong and energized. Share this video with someone who can't live without coffee. They might just discover their new favorite drink.